बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous class we have completed our exercise 9.1. Today we are going to start exercise 9.2. In this exercise we will solve word problems involving linear equations. Exercise 9.2, question number 1. Hussein bought 10 ice creams. He gave rupees 1000 to shopkeeper. He returned, means shopkeeper returned him rupees 250. Total amount is 1000 rupees and shopkeeper returned him 250 rupees. Means how many rupees shopkeeper kept with himself? Yes, 750 rupees. Now question is, how much did he buy one ice cream? Question is that what is the price of one ice cream? If Hussein bought 10 ice creams, he is spending 750 rupees on that. What will be the price of ice cream? This is the actual question. Let's solve this question. First of all, we will write the given information. What is the given information? Hussein bought how many total ice creams? 10 ice creams. Hussein bought 10 ice creams. The next information that is given in the question is he gave. What he gave? Rupees 1000. He paid, or you can write here gave or paid. He paid 1000 rupees to shopkeeper. Now what happened? Shopkeeper returned him rupees 250. The next information is shopkeeper returned rupees 250. So if Hussein is paying rupees 1000 and shopkeeper is returning 250 rupees to him, how much money shopkeeper kept with him for 10 ice creams? Shopkeeper kept 1000 minus 250. 1000 minus 250 means he will keep with himself 750 rupees. Hence 750 is the price of 10 ice creams. That's why shopkeeper is taking 750 rupees from Hussein. Now price of 10 ice creams is 750 rupees. Now students, question was how much did he buy one ice cream? Means you have to find out price of one ice cream. Price of 10 ice creams is 750 rupees. What will be price of one ice cream? Simply divide 750 by 10 and you will get the price of one ice cream. Price of one ice cream 750 divided by 10. 0 will be cancelled out with 0 and 75 rupees is the price of one ice cream. Question number 2 is length of a rectangle. Students, here a rectangle is given to us. This is length and this is breadth. Now question is length of rectangle is 2 centimeter more than twice its breadth. Got it? This length is 2 centimeter more than twice of its breadth. Means if you add 2 in twice of breadth, then you will get the length of this rectangle. The next information is if perimeter is 28 centimeter. Now what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of all the sides of any figure, or you can say boundary of any figure is called its perimeter. And now the given information is that perimeter, its perimeter is 28 centimeter and question is find length and breadth. You have to tell what will be the length, what will be the breadth. Got it? Again see what are the given informations. Length of rectangle. This length is 2 centimeter more than twice of its breadth. What? 2 centimeter more than. For more we will use addition sign. 2 centimeter more than twice of its breadth. This is the what? This is length. Length is 2 centimeter more than twice of its breadth if this is your B. Okay. And perimeter, the complete boundary is given to us, that is 28 centimeter. Find length and breadth. Let's solve this question. So first of all, since the question is find length and breadth, so we have to suppose that its breadth is x. We will suppose that breadth of rectangle is x. We will solve this question by using linear equation. That's why the things which are unknown, we will suppose them as a variable. We can take any other variable instead of x. So let's take here x. Breadth of rectangle is x. Now, if breadth is x, what will be the length? Now, length of rectangle, question is that length of rectangle is 2 centimeter more than twice of its breadth. So according to the condition, length of rectangle will be 2 plus 2x. Got it? Because in question it is given that length is equal to 2 centimeter. For more we use plus sign. If here we have less, we will use minus sign. So for more we use plus sign. Then twice, instead of twice we will use 2 of its breadth, and breadth we have already supposed is x. So length is 2 plus 2x. The next information that is given in the question is perimeter is 28 centimeter. Perimeter means whole boundary is equal to 28 centimeter. Now students, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? We have already studied this formula of rectangle. How we will find perimeter of rectangle? By using the formula. Formula is 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length plus breadth means 2 lengths are there, 2 breadths are there. Got it? So 2 times length and 2 times breadth makes the perimeter. Got it? In rectangle, look at this figure. This is your length. This is also your length. You have 2 lengths over here. Similarly, this is one breadth and this is the second breadth. 2 breadth are here. So perimeter means sum of all the sides of any figure. So in perimeter we will get 2 length and 2 breadth. That's how we make this formula. 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. 2 times length plus 2 times breadth is the perimeter of the rectangle. So write down the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 times length plus breadth. Now students, simply put the values in this formula to solve the question. What is perimeter of rectangle? 28 centimeter. So we will write here 28 centimeter. On right side we will write 2 as it is. Now length. Instead of this word length, we will write the length. What is length of rectangle? 2 plus 2x. So we will write 2 plus 2x. Then plus sign. And what we suppose about the breadth? Breadth is x. So instead of breadth, we will write x. Now students, simplify your bracket. Inside bracket we have 2x and plus x. These are the like terms. We can solve them. 2x plus x, we will get 3x. 2 plus 3x, and outside we have 2. Now you know very well, we have learned how to solve linear equation in exercise 9.1. How we will solve this linear equation? How we will find value of x from this equation? First we will open the brackets. When we will open the bracket, this 2 will multiply first with 2, and then 2 will also multiply with 3x. So we will get 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6x. This is your equation. Now from this equation we want value of x. So we need x alone here. First of all we will move this plus 4. This is a single one. That's why first we move it here on other side. When we move plus 4 on other side of equal sign, it will be converted in minus 4. We will get 28 minus 4, and on right side 6x will be alone. Now simply subtract 28 and 4, we will get 24. and here on right side we will get 6x. Now since we need value of x, we don't want here 6, so we will move this 6 on other side. Here 6 is multiplied with x. When we move on other side, it will be simply divided. 24 divided by 6 is equal to x. Now divide these two values or cancel out with the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and 4 centimeter, right here cm also, 4 centimeter is equal to x, or you can write x is equal to 4. This is the answer of what? Breadth. Breadth of rectangle, that is equal to x, that is equal to 4 centimeter. We have find the value of breadth, that is 4 centimeter. First we suppose breadth is equal to x, and through perimeter formula we have find value of x, that is 4. Got it? Breadth is equal to 4. Now students, question was that find also the length. So what we have to do, we will put this value of x, that is 4, in length formula, that is 2 plus 2x. We will put here instead of x 4, and we will find value of length. How? See. Hence breadth of rectangle comes 4. Now we will find length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 2 centimeter, more than twice of breadth. So put the values over here. 2 plus 2 and value of x that we have already find is 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 plus 8, that is 10 cm. Hence we have find value of breadth and length. Now last question of today's class is question number 3. The price of a pen is rupees 42 and of a notebook is rupees 18. Means price of one pen is 42 and price of one notebook is 18. Calculate how many pens and notebooks you can buy from rupees 480. Now you have 480 rupees in your pocket, and question is how many pens and how many notebooks can you purchase in 480 rupees. Now condition is given to you. What is condition? If you want to buy equal quantity of both. Means if you want to buy 5 pens, then you must buy 5 notebooks. Both have same quantity. If you will buy 7 pens, then you have to buy 7 notebooks. This is the condition of the question. Again see, price of one pen is 42 rupees, price of one notebook is 18 rupees, and you have to calculate that how many pens and notebooks can you purchase in 480 rupees, and condition is that you must buy the same quantity of pens and notebooks. Let's solve this question. First of all, we will write the given information. The first information is price of one pen is equal to 42. Second information, price of one notebook is 18 rupees. The third information is that total amount is 480 rupees. And now what is the question? Calculate how many pens and notebooks can you buy. Means you have to calculate number of pens and notebooks. Got it? So whatever we always pose the things what we need to find. For example, here question is number of pens is equal to question mark. So let's suppose that number of pens is equal to x. Now students, if number of pens you are supposing that it is x, then of course number of notebooks will also be x, because number of pens and number of notebooks will be the same according to the condition of the book. So number of notebooks also is equal to x, as it is given that you want to buy equal quantity of both. So if you are supposing that number of pens is equal to x, then you must suppose that number of notebooks is also is equal to x. Now if if price of one pen is 42 rupees, tell me what will be the price of x pens? 42x. For example, if price of one egg is 10 rupees, what will be the price of 2 eggs? 20 rupees. What you did? 2 multiplied by 10. Similarly, if price of one pen is 42 rupees, what will be the price of x pens? 42x. Price of x pen is 42x. Similarly, what will be the price of x notebooks? If price of one notebook is 18 rupees, what will be the price of X notebooks? Of course, we have to multiply 18 with X. Similarly, if price of one ice cream is 20 rupees, what will be the price of 3 ice creams? You will multiply 20 with 3, you will get 60. Similarly, price of one notebook is 18 rupees. What will be the price of X notebooks? Multiply 18 with X and we will get 18X. Got it? Price of X pens 42X, price of X notebooks 18X. Now condition is given to you that if you add both the quantities, you total have the money, that is 482 rupees. You have to purchase X pens, X notebooks, and total money that is given to you is 480. Got it? 42X is the price of X pens, 18X is the price of X notebooks, and both together have 480. Got it? In 480 rupees you have to purchase X pens and X notebooks. Now simply simplify this, add 42X and 18X, we will get 60X is equal to 480. 60 is multiplied over here, on other side it will be simply divided. Divide them, 0 will be cancelled out, and 6 ones are 6, 8s are 48. X is equal to 8. What you suppose X? Number of pens. Means if you purchase 8 pens and if you purchase 8 notebooks, then you need total money, or the total money you have is 480 rupees. In 480 rupees you can purchase 8 pens and 8 notebooks. This was your question. Number of pens and number of notebooks is equal to 8. Both are having the same quantity, pens and notebooks. In 480 rupees you can purchase 8 pens and 8 notebooks. Now question number 6, length of marriage hall is 4 times as much as its breadth. Now students, consider this is your marriage hall and its length. This is its length. Length is 4 times as much as its breadth. Students, why didn't I draw here a square? Because in question it is given that length is 4 times as much as breadth. Means length and breadth are not equal. That's why we can't take square over here, and we will take here rectangle. Okay, length is 4 times as much as its breadth. Means if you suppose that breadth is x, then length will be 4 times of x. Means length will be 4x, and if we suppose breadth is x. The next is if perimeter of hall. Perimeter means whole boundary. In perimeter here we have 2 lengths, this length and 2 breadths. When you add 2 lengths and 2 breadths, you will get this perimeter, that is 240 meter. Okay. Now question is find length and breadth. You have to find value of length and breadth if perimeter is 240 meter. Students, let's start the solution. Since question is find length and breadth, so we will suppose here that breadth is equal to x. Students, why we are not supposing here length is equal to x? Because about the length there is a condition that length is 4 times its breadth. So first we suppose about the breadth, that is it's equal to x, then obviously length will be equal to 4x according to given condition. So suppose that breadth is x, then length will be 4x. The next thing that is given in question, perimeter. Perimeter of hall, so we will write perimeter of hall is 240 meter. Find length and breadth. So length and breadth is equal to question mark. Again in this question we will use formula of perimeter of a hall and then we will put the values in it. So what is the formula of perimeter of hall? As you can see that this is rectangle, so we will use the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 times length plus breadth. Why 2 times length plus breadth? Because here we have 2 lengths, 2 breadths. When we add all the lengths and breadths, we will get perimeter. Got it? 2 times length plus breadth becomes perimeter. In this equation, or this is your equation, you have to put the values. What is the value of perimeter of hall? 240 meters. So we will put 240 meter under here. Similarly, we will put 2 as it is. Value of length is 4x. So we will write 4x under here, and breadth's value is x. We will put it. Now students, solve this equation. To solve this equation, first we try to simplify the bracket. As these are the like terms, both x's are here, so we can add them. 4x plus x, we will get 5x, and outside we have the 2. Now 2 is multiplied with 5x, and we will get here 10x is equal to 240 meter. Since we need to find out value of x, that we suppose that it's breadth, so we will move this 10 on other side of equal sign. 10 is multiplied with x. There is no plus sign and minus sign between 10 and x, means there is the product sign between it. So when we move 10, 10 is multiplied over here. When we move 10 on other side of equal sign, it will be divided. 240 meter divided by 10 is equal to x. Simply cancel out this 10 with 10 or divide them. We will simply get 24 meter is equal to x, or we can write x is equal to 24 meter. Now what is x? Breadth. This is breadth, that is x. We have supposed that it is x, 24 meter. Now also find length. How we will find length? Multiply 24 with 4, as length is 4 times its breadth. So multiply 4 with 24, we will get the length. Breadth of hall we get, that is 24 meter. 24 meter. So length of hall is as given 4x, multiply 24 meter. This is not cm, this is meter. Got it? This is meter. Meter is given in the question. So multiply 4 with 24 and we will get 96 meter. So length of hall is 96 meter while breadth is 24 meter. Now students, you have to practice all of these 4 questions in your registers and send your clear images to me. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.